Hello everybody. Alright, Blackfish coming to you again from Hawaii North. What are we up to today? Well, the last time we were out down in Oceanside, we noticed there was a bit of a sewer smell coming from the back of the motorhome, and we weren't quite sure. There was a sand dump fairly close to where we were parked, kind of out the back across the street, so we were wondering if it was coming from there or not. But Mrs. Blackfish, Belle, she noticed it seemed to be coming from under the bathroom sink. So took a look, and I'll show you when you get out there. There's actually a little vent tube that's supposed to have a vent on it, and it doesn't look like ours does. In the past, it looks like somebody's maybe removed that vent and they just covered it over with, I'm not sure, just looks like maybe a piece of cheesecloth or something like that. So anyways, what I have done is ordered this from Amazon. It's a vent cap. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I'm just going to open it up now and take a look at it. Yeah, it's got like a little one-way check valve in there. And this just looks like a piece of PVC pipe or ABS pipe. It's got threads on the inside here. Hopefully the pipe out there is threaded. If not, I believe this will screw on. Oh, it screws on from the other side. I see. Take plastic off. There we go. And it looks like it just threads in there. There. And then I'll just have to make sure that this fits. It's the same size pipe. I'm pretty sure it is. And then I'll just have to ABS pipe it on there. Alright, here we are. We're out in Alice now, and the vanity sink area. And I'll just show you what I was talking about with that vent. It's down here. And right up there. And I'll probably give you your best look at it. Now let's take this cover off. Whatever it is they had on there. Oh, and it looks like there's a vent already on there. But I don't believe it is working. So I'll just take that vent out, break it free. There we go. Yeah, there it is. Looks like it's a different size. Looks like 1.5 inch ABS. The one I got is 2 inch. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little cutting. I think I got a reducer. I'll probably cut down in here somewhere. I'll glue up my reducers. I'm not going to bore you with all those details. I'll see what I got, and I will come back and show you exactly what I've done. I don't want to bore you with cutting through the pipe and glue. Well, I might show you some of the gluing up of the pipes, but okay. So I'll go figure something out. I might have to make a run down to Home Depot. We'll see, and we'll be check back here in a few bits. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to put on my gloves. Working with this glue, I don't want to get it on myself. Safety first, and all that. So what I'm going to do here is have to go to Home Depot. I got a reducer. 1.5 to 2 inch. Then I also had to buy a piece of pipe, which I had to buy a 3-foot chunk, and then I've just cut this one off. little piece. That's all I needed, but oh well, I'll probably use it somewhere down the road. So I just get the primer, or cleaner I guess they call it. I always call it primer. It's kind of clear. Make sure you put something down if you're doing it over your floor, because it will spill out. You just like that. A little around the pipe side. Just kind of preps it, I guess. Cleans off all the... I used to do a lot of irrigation stuff when I worked on the golf courses, so it was kind of the same PVC instead of ABS. Very similar type stuff. A little bit of the ABS glue. This doesn't have to be, should be airtight, I guess, but not quite as critical as doing actual plumbing. As you know, it's just air passing through, so it's not gonna, you don't have to worry about a leak or anything. Give her a little twist, make sure everything's contacting. I'll have that. All right. Got it glued in. Cut the old pipe down a little bit so it would fit. I have it there now. Just get my camera set back up. Now you guys can hopefully see. Very good, there is it. There. Now, and I did put a little Teflon tape on this vent as well. I don't know if it really needs it or not. It doesn't actually seal anyways, it just helps the pipe thread go in a little farther. There, and tight. It's probably good. Just about enough room there. I can unscrew it if I ever have to replace it again. And hopefully that gets rid of our sewer smell. It doesn't smell bad in here right now, so I don't know if that was actually the problem. It may have been that RV dump station that was just behind our campsite, because everything seems to be good in here now. So. But yeah, anyway, so there you go. That's the, I guess your sink vent replacement. Next job on my list, we will have to see. I still got to do the oil change and stuff like that. I know I'm still working on some videos of the campsites we've been staying at, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up that you liked it. Leave any comments down below. I'll answer as best as I can. And until next time, let's roll. And hey, everybody, let's be careful out there. Blackfish out.